Hey friends, what's up? It's your girl Eve here and welcome to my new video. So if you are new to my channel and you are not a fan of fast talking, long-winded people, then I am not going to be your girl. So please make sure you click off this video. If you are sticking around, thank you for wanting to hang out with me. You guys are amazing. Alright, so let's talk about mental health. I am trying to wean myself off Lexapro. So I'm taking 20 milligrams. I cut that in half and I'm trying to take that for a couple of weeks and then take that and divide it by half. So do 5 and slowly take myself off. I'm telling you, it is giving me the worst headaches. I can't get rid of it. So I'm hoping that I can get off of it because yes, it's helping my depression, but it's making me gain weight so dang fast. So I have a few things I'm looking into, but I'm just trying to get off of it because I don't need help gaining weight. My body does fantastic by itself. And you're probably thinking, well, you had videos that you pre-recorded. Yeah, but when you have ADHD and you focus in on the one mistake you made that you can't get over, delete. So I deleted that. Then I had another video I looked and I had a stain when I was doing my makeup on my shirt. And I was like, nope, I can't post that. And I just harped on it. So I cleared all my videos. I don't know why I am so hard on myself. I tell myself to give myself grace, but saying it and actually doing it is two different things. So that's what's going on in my life. How's your mental health going? I hope it's better than mine. If you want to talk about it, feel free. We got to support each other. Okay, what this video is actually going to be about, I'm going to show you what I got in my September Ipsy does Boxycharm. That's what I'm going to call it because they can't settle on a name because I don't like Boxycharm by Ipsy. No, Ipsy does Boxycharm. Okay, so this box costs $28 a month. Now that does not include any taxes or fees. So make sure you know what it is in your area to make sure it fits in your budget. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the first two that they picked for me. I am so excited to see this name. Everything I have tried so far by this company, I've absolutely loved. And it's by Kate Berkey. And here's the little bottle. And it is going to be the Retin C Treatment Complex. So it's going to have a retinol. Retinol helps with aging, so wrinkles, things like that. Vitamin C will brighten your skin. So if you have age spots, freckles, discoloration from acne, this is going to be amazing. So I cannot wait to try it. This is going to be a serum, so it's going to be really thin, as it just squirts everywhere. As you can see, really thin. So stoked to try this, and I can't wait to see the retail value of this because her stuff is expensive. Okay, second thing they picked out for me is by Yensa, and this is the Pink Lotus Peptide Renewal Face Cream, and it says 8 Power Pink Essences. So how they describe this is probably going to be extremely light moisturizer because essence means thin. So it's not watery. So it's going to be like a light gel. Let's see if there's any scent. Smelling it with my broken nose. So it's a very, very light floral scent. So the two that they picked for me, absolutely love it. This is the shining star though. Okay, this stuff I picked for myself. Soon as I saw Kate Somerville, I automatically picked it. Her stuff is pricey. My skin loves it. So stoked about that. So this is the Kate Somerville Peptide K8 Power Cream. I love this airless container. It keeps everything fresh, and you know that the things are going to be at its fullest consistency. What's the word? It's not consistency. Potency. So this is going to be a thicker cream. I can already tell how it came out. Oh, I'm going to love this. I'm using this tonight. I have another cream I'm using that's getting pushed aside. Okay. The next name, there are some big names in this box. So this is the Danessa Myricks Beauty, and it's in lilac quartz, and I have it on my lower lash line, but you're probably not going to be able to see it as I just lotioned up my hand trying to get this top off. So it looks white, but then when you swatch it, you can definitely see the pale purple. You can see a little bit. Now I have it on my waterline, like I said. Let's see how it's doing, because I do have watery eyes. Okay, it's not really sticking to my waterline, but it's in my lash line and it's still there. So that's probably what I'm going to use it as, is in the lash line and then maybe my inner corner. The last thing is by House Labs. And I got the Le Monster Lip Crayon in Peach. Let me go ahead and throw this on. Take my lip oil off. I've tried this before, and when I first got this, I bought it full price at Sephora, and I used it as a lip liner. It's not for that. You can use it as a lip liner, but it's good as a lip crayon. So pretty. So stoked about that. So that is everything I got in my box. I do have a few other things. I have my beauty boost I'm going to talk about, and then I did a few add-ons. But let's talk about the prices. So the Kate Berkey treatment is $90. The Yensa cream is going to be $48. Oh my God. I thought it was going to be $100. This is $158. I'm really happy I picked that. $158. Lord, I hope they have it in their Ipsy sales, because if I fall in love with that, I'm hoping I don't have to pay full price. So the lip crayon is going to be $22, and then the Danessa Myricks pencil is going to be $22. Okay, Beauty Boost. This is going to be an additional $15 to your subscription. And I picked the Verso, and it's a dark spot fix with retinol 8. I have a moisturizing fluid, I think it's called, and I absolutely love it. So far what I've tried from this brand I really like. There's an oil too that I have not tried it yet, but just trying it as like swatching it on my hand, it's really nice. So far I've been really interested in this company. So when I saw it as a choice, I jumped on it. And this has a $95 value. So I definitely got my $15 worth. And if it wasn't for Ipsy, I wouldn't have probably found this brand, because I've never heard of it before. And then it came in here and I fell in love with it. So that's the benefit of having these boxes, is finding companies that you probably would have normally not found. Okay. I want to talk about, so if you don't get this box, or you didn't get this yourself and you didn't pick it, don't pay how much it costs. Go to the drugstore. My favorite is by Maybelline. It's the Ultimate Lip Crayons. Absolutely stunning. It lasts same as this. And it's what, $8 or $9 depending on where you're at. I get it at Walmart, check on Amazon, and the other one is by L'Oreal. This is really good too. So if you did not pick that, get one of those. Those are just as amazing, if not better. Okay, so on the add-ons, I saw this, and this is by Toy Factory, and I got 2 shades, and it's a highlighter. When this box came, I completely forgot. I saw these little tiny things, and I thought they were eyeshadow. So I had to jump and look, because I did not think something so small was a highlighter. So I looked and went, oh yeah, I did pick that, because I'm on the hunt for a new highlighter that will wow me, because I am not going to buy the one that I have been repurchasing, because I'm not supporting Jaclyn Hill anymore. Okay. So the first one is Metaverse. Let's go and swatch that. So that's going to be below that liner we just tried. And Metaverse is going to be above it. I'm really interested in the Metaverse, because that's the shade I usually go for. Light Champagne. So I don't have any highlighter on right now, and I feel weird. Throw this on. I do have to go to work. So I don't want to do too much. Okay, that is really pretty. That is stunning. Do you see that? Put him on my nose. Okay, so the metaverse I'm going to try as an inner corner. That's really pretty. I like these. I'm definitely going to buy the full size. I'm going to try something. I'm going to put this on top of the other one, the white. Oh, those two are so pretty. Oh, this just brings it to a new level. I'm impressed. How much is the full size of this? Come on, Google. Help me. Okay. They seem to have all-in-one palette, but not singles. That kind of sucks. So I'm going to do more research on that, but right now I'm seeing that it's just in the palette with different ones. And I don't like it because it has like purple in there. So if I can't find it, next time I see this on the add-ons, I'm going to buy a crap ton more. That's how much I like it. Because I don't want to get ones with different shades in it because I'm not going to use it and then it's not worth it to me. All right, so that is everything I got in my box. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I love you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.